Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will see how you can check who sent you a message on NGL application. So let's start. First open NGL application. Now go to Inbox. Now open the message. Now click on Who sent this. Now click on Unlock. You have to add your card and have to pay around $2 to get a hint about who sent this message. There is no other free method through which you can check who sent this message. Or you can reply them and ask them about who sent this. If they are kind, they will certainly tell you. Or you can check your Instagram story viewers and can get an idea of who sent you a message. Cause only the user who have seen your story can message you. That's it for this video guys. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.